Fused deposition modeling is a 3D printing method that makes durable objects out of the same plastics you see in everyday products. With FDM, the 3D printer takes a spool of plastic filament, melts it, and extrudes it onto a tray to build a part layer by layer from the bottom up. FDM materials are all industrial-grade thermoplastics. That's what makes the resulting parts so tough. And it's also why FDM is changing the way industries design and manufacture. With FDM, a designer can sketch an idea and test it the same day. Industries can cut lead times and costs. Products turn out better and get to market faster. FDM parts are helping to build the cars you drive. They're in the airplanes you fly in. They're in the medical devices that save lives. FDM is cutting waste in manufacturing. It's helping engineers power remote villages in Africa. It's helping farmers feed an ever-expanding population. And the ideas keep coming.